All right, so let's continue. I'm going to introduce us to HTML and CSS, where before I do that, let me share my screen. So I chose Zoom, but I used Google Meet because Google Meet I had an extension that can record for the screen and also have a meeting get to 1 hour, even in free version. But the issue with Google Meet, the issue with Zoom is Zoom had a feature that I like so much. In Zoom, I can be sharing my screen, Linus can be sharing his screen, everyone can be sharing the screen. You just have simultaneous screen, so I can see what you're doing on code and correct you from here without pausing my screen sharing, you know. So that's why I chose Zoom in the first place. Basically, so I'm going to start by installations. All right. So this class is about installations and helping us set up our environment. So Princess, I know you've done installation before, so it's not something that you may be new to. Let me know if you can see my screen, everybody. Can you unmute your mic?
Yes, yes, we can.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good.
All right. So to start this class, you need an internet enable, which by default you have because you're on this class. If not, you need to be in the class already. Then we need to install the tools that will help us code. So one of those important tools, before I will give you the tools, I would have recommended you use Visual Studio, but because most of us don't have a powerful laptop, we will be using an alternative solution. Yeah, so we'll be using Sublime Text Editor. All right, Sublime Text is what do we call it? Sublime Text is a tool, is a text editor. That's the point. It's text editor. All right. Usually, I like to start editing myself with Notepad. It's not a bad idea. And this is my Notepad. So after Notepad, we'll switch to Sublime Text Editor. So if you have your system on, check whether you have Notepad on your PC. I want to start with Notepad to show you something. If I launch Sublime Text, it's my culture. Check whether you have Notepad, this app on your system.
Yeah.
All right. If you have Notepad and you have the common ground already, you can start with Notepad. Then I'll bring Sublime Text soon. Princess, yeah, I didn't start with Notepad with you, but I know I'm starting with Notepad. I want to show us that this thing is just our regular daily life. So if you have a Notepad, let's start by going to any folder of your choice. Me, I choose to use documents. So go to your documents. Me, okay, I'm using document with you, but if I were you, I would use documents since it's your personal system. Me, I like to partition my system because of what I use it for. So I'm going to go to this folder. I'm going to go to create a new folder inside my folder. All right. So the new folder I'm going to create is where I'll put all my works. So at this point, I want to go to any folder of your choice. Do as I do. Create a new folder. Call it code with G and enter. So I just created a new folder called code with G. Please let us do save everybody and let me know once you're done. Once you're done, unmute your mic, say I'm done. I will let it and continue. Also, I would like your mic to be muted by default because it's okay. Well, it's not by force anyway. Just communicate once you're done. Princess, look at you're done. You can see you muted the mic.
No, I'm not done. I wanted to find out where you got that document from. I'm a little bit confused. My
Okay,
system is acting up. I don't know why.
All right. Can you see my cursor?
Yes, I can. Okay, from that folder.
If you click at you see document on Windows 10 and 11.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. So why I chose document is because Oh, sorry, guys. If you use desktop, for instance, which if I leave you, some people might go to desktop and create it. I don't know how much your system, how much privacy you have in your system. For those of you who have kids around, someone can easily go to your desktop and tap around with anything. So, but if you put on document, it takes some deep navigation at least. Linux, are you with us?
Okay, I'm done with the
Okay, you're done. Okay, so while process is creating her folder, can we all share our screen? If you click on,
oh,
if you click on share, it's gonna have to share screen. So I want to be seeing our screens simultaneously. So if anybody have any difficult time, I'm safe from here. Now I see this is your screen. Okay. Yeah, I've seen previous screen. I can see Linus screen. I can see my screen. Awesome. Can you see my screen? Why sharing yours?
um, I'm trying to
Okay, so
can't see.
so if you're seeing, let us if you're seeing there's a tile where our names are written. Are you seeing that tile? You can maximize it. When you maximize it, you see three screens. You see my screen, Linus screen, Princess screen. Hello, Linus, are you there? I know today's class is
I'm
to get acquainted with our tools, Zoom and usual tools. That's what I normally do in first class. You may need to leave the okay. Let me know what you can see on the screen. If you can, let me know so that I will direct.
okay. I'm seeing my entire Windows.
Okay. I can see your screen, I can see preset screen, I can see everybody's screen. So what happens is when you share your screen, Zoom
Okay,
creates,
I can see it.
you can see my screen now. Are you in the place where at the top of your screen you're seeing my screen, which is your own screen? They will label your own as my screen. And label enable to see both screen. Then Linus Princess NW end screen kind of. Are you in that interface? Oh no, most likely no. Okay, no, so the way it works, you won't see it here. Linus, I'm seeing your screen now. You won't see it here. Click on minimize. Let me see something, Linus.
Is it me?
Yes,
I can see your screen now.
you can see my screen. Okay, fine. All right. It's my screen also. Okay, so Princess, how about you? Are you in control? Can you see my screen and Linus screen if you want to see them?
I can see yours, but
Okay.
I don't think I can see Linus screen. I
All right,
can
fine.
see yours.
You can see my no problem. We'll talk about that later. It's mine you need to see actually. You need to send up your screen. Okay, with that said, let's proceed. Mm, okay, so Princess, have you created a folder? Princess, are you there? Have you created a folder called Ibuchi? Princess, you're on mute if you're talking. You need to mute your mic permanently for easy communication if you don't have any audio interrupting your background. But if you have, we understand. Have you been able to create a folder, Princess?
No, no.
Okay, so let me see your screen. I'm following your screen.
This is my screen.
I
I'm
know.
in documents, and then I was unable to follow because my system froze or
Froze.
something.
Okay, it's froze. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Um, is it back
So
now?
I'm about to do it now. Yes.
Okay.
Buchi, right?
Code Ibuchi, yes.
Okay. Done.
Awesome. So so open that folder together is empty. All right. So mine is empty, just like yours is empty. We're going to be creating more subfolders. Like let's do one now. So I'm teaching you how to set up a project folder normally. Create another folder inside that folder. Let's call this one HTML space, oh sorry, underscore, and just it's okay like this. HTML is okay. All right.
I can't see your screen.
Oh, you can't see my screen.
Mm.
You may need to which screen? What are you seeing?
I'm just seeing your browser. Okay,
Okay.
now I can see it. I can see your windows now.
I
Okay,
see.
I can see it now.
Maybe it was like it. Okay. So open that folder I created. Create another one called HTML. So in 10 seconds you should be done. And
Mm.
once you're done, feel free to unmute and like say I'm done. So that I will know we're catching up and I'll proceed.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now we're done. It's okay. So Princess, I'm assuming you should be done soon. So
Yes.
if you're done, do a Windows search on your system. If you're using Windows, if you click a Windows button on your system, you should know where Windows search is. Um, if you know how to get into this screen, this page, so search for Notepad. If it's open, if you have it, click on it.
Okay, my notepad is already on
Uh,
this.
okay, if it's already open it.
Okay.
So here is mine. If you open it, you should come to this default empty page. Is it the same for everybody?
Yes.
Linus. Hello, did you share entire screen or share the window?
For me, I shared the entire screen.
I don't know whose screen is stuck on my screen. Okay, sorry. Okay, I see. All right. Okay, Linus is a screen that is stuck on my screen. I see. Okay.
Should I should I stop and
No,
reshare?
no, 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 no. It's not, no. I'm seeing that you created a folder called HTML. Now, Linus, I've seen you made a mistake already. When you shared your when you created a folder, you used lowercase. For some reason, so you use uppercase in naming code Ibuchi. For some reasons, we don't use uppercase when naming folders in development. So let's start from day one to imbibe the habit. So go back and rename that folder code Ibuchi. The C should be
Okay.
lowercase. Can you also maximize your screen so that everything will be blown up? Okay. No, no, no worry. Do what's okay for you. Yeah. I'm seeing the code, but you rename it. The C should be lowercase. The B should be lowercase. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Awesome. So let's get back to my own screen. So this is my notepad, right? Now so we're going to learn how to create a folder, a file. So click you see file, save as. If you've done that, if you so let me take it again. You see file on top. See file, save as. Now, because it's the first time, it will take you to it will ask you where I want to save it as, where I want to save it. All right. Um,
Okay.
for me, I'm looking for my folder. My folder is inside this. For yours is a different place. So I'm looking for where my folder is. I'm going to get my folder. Here is my folder. Where the Bucci. Then I'll select the second folder I created, HTML. All right. I'll open it. Then once you're inside this folder, then let me know.
All right.
Once you save the name, so that we'll save the name together. Don't save yet completely. Don't click here yet. Just get into this folder and let me know. Let me watch your screens. This guy will not allow me to watch your screen. Okay. Linus, I see you're there. Princess, I see you also there. Awesome. Okay, so since we're there, let me complete my process. So you see here, whatever is here, wipe it out. We'll type something new. So for today's class, let me just save. I'm going to type intro. Intro is the file name. Now, in naming your file, that's what you call file name and file extension. File name is the name of the file. The extension is the format the file will be saved as. So type .html. Now, HTML is the file extension and the file format. Don't make mistake. Intro.html. I chose intro because I want to use it as my introduction. Do the same thing I'm doing for now. Later, when you master the art, you can start creating your own name by yourself. All right. Then
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Okay.
Sir?
I'm listening to you. Come back.
Hello,
Yeah.
sir.
I'm with you, Linus.
Okay, I don't know. Maybe for subsequent classes, I don't know if you are recording from your own end.
Yes, I'm recording my end. I will send to you when I'm not recording.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So now click save if you're done. Linus, you can click save. You can see your screen. Princess, click save. You can see your screen also. You gotten it right. Awesome. So back to my notepad. This is saved. All right. Now we have saved the file. Now go back to your folder. Open that HTML folder. You see the file we just created here with a 0 byte file. It has mine has an icon as Chrome. So let me see what yours is having as your icon. So I can see, let's go back to your folder, your documents, then Princess, let me see if you're going back to your folder already. All right, awesome. Princess, open it now. Open Kodeguchi. Open HTML. All right, you're seeing intro, right?
Yes.
And it has Chrome as an extension. Linus, let me follow up with you. Linus, your file explorer can be gotten. We just type file explorer. Linus, type file explorer. No, you type and pin it to your taskbar if possible. That's it. Click on that file explorer. Okay, so open. Fine. Yours also is having a browser icon.
It's showing.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm seeing it. So now, because it's having a browser icon, what that means that all of us are using Chrome as our default browser to open HTML, and that makes us even right now. So I like the way it is. So now what that means is that we just learned how to create a simple web page. That's what we just learned now. All right.
There's a question.
Go ahead.
Okay, my file name is just showing intro without the .html, but yours is showing .html.
Well, some Windows settings like that. So I think it's for my settings.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have less than 9 minutes. After now, someone should help me create a meeting after this meeting ends. So it's because of my setting, most likely. If I go to this part of my Windows, I should be able to change the setting to what I like. But let's not go with that. So he's right. I saw what you created. Okay, so let's proceed. So now that I've created it, now I'm back to my notepad. In my notepad, I write the code. When I write the code, I come here, I double click here. In fact, let's double click here. When you double click here, it will launch your browser for you. To take you to a new Chrome window. So let me close here. All right, it opens a new Chrome window for me. Sorry, a new file on Chrome where nothing is showing. I don't know if you can do that for yourself. So you can double click it or just right click and say open. All right, but don't right click, just double click on it.
Okay.
Okay, process just is done. Linus, double click on that file you just created on your file explorer.
Yes, it has taken me to
Okay,
Chrome.
awesome. I've seen it. So this is the web page just created. It's empty, nothing is inside. So now let's add something inside. To add the code inside, let's go back to our notepad. All right, this is our notepad. Now, we just type hello world and click on save it by using Ctrl S, or you click on save here. Ctrl S is a shortcut. You hold your control button, you press S on your keyboard, it will save the code. Now, once you do that, like I've done myself, and you go back to your browser, that place you opened before, you refresh your browser by clicking here, the code you just typed will show. Let me know if you've achieved that. Type hello world, then come back to your browser, that one you opened a while ago. Refresh your screen. Type hello world, Control S to save. If your Control S is giving you issue for now, you can use file and save. The same thing. File, save. If you achieve that, go back to the browser you
What should we
opened.
use as the file name, sir?
File name, no. If you still asking for file name, it means you didn't open. It means nothing is wrong. Did you save as or just save? Cancel.
Save.
Cancel. Go back to that notepad. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Did you open a new notepad instance? Don't open before click on save. Was what gave birth to intro.html. So close the
Okay,
notepad.
I didn't use the one we opened before.
Do you still have it open or is closed? Look for it.
I'm trying to navigate to it.
Okay. Minimize the also minimize.
Okay.
Not the okay. Okay, for now, right click on this file. Let me get you back on track. Right click on the intro, right click on
This
it. Yes. Open with. Go up. Open with. No, up. No, not that one. Down. 5. Yeah.
open with
Open with choose another app. Click on choose another app. Bottom. For now. Scroll more apps. Click on more apps. Yeah. Scroll to see notepad. It's alphabetic order. So go to N straight up. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, click on notepad. Then open with notepad. Fine. So this is it. Now type hello word here. Princess, I'll come to you. Princess, what happened? Looks like one made the same mistake. All right. Now,
I got lost somehow.
Control S, Linus.
I've done that.
All right, go to your browser. Princess, I'll come to you.
Yeah.
That browser you opened that time. That one, oh, no problem. Go back to the file. I wanted to keep a habit of maintaining what you already opened so that you won't be opening too many things. All right.
To refresh, right?
Yeah, refresh. Awesome.
Okay.
You're there. All right. So, Princess, you're next. Yeah, Princess, that's it. Save. Control S. Control S. Have you?
Yes.
Go back to that browser you opened that time, which is already open. I'm seeing it already. Just go and refresh it. Your browser is already open by as your background as your. Just take your cursor Go take your course out of your notepad. No, don't go down. It's already open. I'm seeing it's already open.
It's already open.
Oh yeah, it's already open. Your notepad is on your browser.
I can't see it on my screen.
Take your cursor to the left. Let me see something.
To the left. What I'm seeing is your own screen.
All right. Okay, that means my screen that I'm taking is yours. Open your browser. Open your browser. Click. Okay, so refresh. All right. So
Okay.
we're on the same page. Okay. So back to my own side. So if you can see my screen, cause my screen now, leave your screen. All right. So we just created a simple notepad, a simple HTML file. All right. And I like the fact that we use with Notepad. It helps us to understand that we are working from our system. So even if we install an extension later, sorry, a complex app like Sublime Text, we know that we're just using Sublime Text as our Notepad in this case. It's not like Sublime Text doing the magic for us. All right. So that takes me to the next part of my introduction. All right. So we have 2 minutes left. So we're learning HTML and CSS. All right. I'm going to HTML and CSS. HTML means I'm typing
right and ready to tell.
HTML means hypertext markup language. But I won't start into HTML deeply until I Princess, who's helping us with the ability device? Okay, so we've created his notepad and it's working. Everybody sees it's working. So now that it's working on notepad, next thing we're going to do is to install an application. Princess, for you won't install anyone because you already have it. Linus, if you're seeing my screen, go to your Sublime Text editor and go to your browser and type Sublime Text editor. When you do that, you're going to have the following section. Yes, Sublime Text editor. Are you there? Okay, so when you get there, you see Sublime Text 3. Some of you, depending on your system power size. Oh, okay, so Sublime Text 3, yes, that's it.
Sublime
Text 3, yes, use Text 3.
to download.
So if you're Sublime Text 3, sorry, but there is Windows, the Windows 64 bits. I didn't check to see your Windows version, but I believe it should be 64 bits. All right.
Yeah, 64.
Click on this. Because it's 4-bit learners.
If you click on the Windows 64 bit.
Yes, click on it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like this one.
Once you click on it, yes, click on it, yes. It should automatically download once you click on it. Mine just did.
Okay.
Okay, so just click on save. Leave it where it is, yeah. Mine just downloaded is a 10 MB file, thereabouts. Now, we have well less than a minute. Linus, let me know if you downloaded like mine completely.
Yes.